Hello and welcome to this non-sleep deep rest practice designed to restore your energy when you're feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. My name is Cynthia and I'll be your guide today. If you've been running on empty, feeling the weight of the world, or simply feeling depleted, this is your space to stop and simply be. Our intention today is to ground deeply into the earth to replenish your inner reserves. Find yourself a comfortable position lying down, in a position where you can be completely still for the next couple of minutes. You may choose to lie down on your mat, on your couch, or your bed. Take the time you need to make any adjustments, perhaps a pillow under the knees, a blanket for warmth, or a cover for the eyes. Do what you need to ensure you're comfortable. Now, gently close your eyes and silently affirm to yourself, I'm practicing NSDR, I am awake, I am safe, and I'm open to deep restoration. Begin now to draw your awareness inwards. Feel your body resting on the surface beneath you. Notice the points of contact, the heels, the hips, the shoulders, the back of the head. Connect with the sensation of gravity. Feel the earth rising up to support you, holding the full weight of your body so you don't have to hold it yourself. We will move into a 3-part breathing exercise. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest, or simply leave your arms resting by your sides with the palms facing upwards. When you're ready, exhale all the air out of the lungs. Now, inhale slowly, directing the breath first into your belly, feeling it rise, then expand into your ribs, and finally lift into your chest. Exhale slowly, releasing from the chest, then the ribs, and finally drawing the belly in. Continue this wave-like rhythm. Inhale, belly expands, ribs widen, chest lifts, a sense of fullness. Exhale, chest softens, ribs draw in, belly settles, a sense of release. Continue this at your own pace. Imagine you're filling a glass with water from the bottom up and emptying it from the top down. With each inhale, you are gathering energy. With each exhale, you are settling deeper into the support of the earth. You're continuing this 3-part breath, directing the breath first into your belly, then expanding into your ribs, and finally lifting into your chest. And as you exhale slowly, releasing from the chest, then the ribs, and finally drawing the belly in. With the next exhale, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Now, in this relaxed and receptive state, bring to mind your sankalpa, your heartfelt intention for this practice. Perhaps my energy is restored, or I'm grounded and full of vitality, or your chosen sankalpa. Mentally repeat your sankalpa 3 times. As you set your intention, allow its truth to settle into your mind and into your body. My energy is restored, or I'm grounded and full of vitality, or your chosen sankalpa. We will now move awareness throughout the body. As I name each part of your body, simply bring awareness there and feel the physical support of the ground beneath it, allowing gravity to do the work. Bring your awareness to the right side, the right hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth, palm of the right hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, shoulder. Feel the weight of the right shoulder sinking, right waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, and foot. Your whole right side is heavy and supported. Moving your awareness to the left side, the left hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth, the palm of the left hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, shoulder. Feel the weight of the left shoulder sinking, left waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, and foot. The whole left side is heavy and supported. Shifting your awareness to the back of the body, feel the heels connecting with the floor, the calves, the backs of the thighs, the buttocks, the lower back, the middle back, and the shoulder blades, the back of the neck and the back of the head. The whole back body is rooted and held. Bringing your awareness now to the front of the body, the forehead, the eyes, jaw and throat, the chest, the abdomen, the pelvis. Notice the spaciousness here. Feel your entire body now as one unified field of sensation, resting, deeply held by the earth beneath you. As your body rests here, heavy and supported, visualize that you're lying on a patch of soft, warm earth in a quiet forest. Imagine that from the back of your body, from your spine, your legs, your heels, roots begin to extend downward. See these roots moving through the floor, moving deep into the rich, dark soil beneath you. With every exhale, imagine exhaustion, overwhelm, or stagnant energy draining out of your body, flowing down through these roots, and being released into the earth. You don't need to carry it anymore. Let the earth take it. With every inhale, imagine your roots drawing up fresh, potent energy from the core of the earth. Visualize this vitality rising up through your roots, entering your feet, your spine, your whole body. It's a warm, nourishing energy, restoring your reserves and filling every cell with new life. Exhale, releasing fatigue down into the earth. Inhale, drawing up strength and vitality. Feel yourself connected to this infinite source of energy. You are rooted, you are nourished, you're revitalized. Rest here now, feeling the cycle of release and renewal. Now, bring your sankalpa back to mind. Mentally repeat it 3 times with renewed dedication. My energy is restored, or I'm grounded and full of vitality, or your chosen sankalpa. Gently bring your awareness back to your physical body. Notice the points of contact with the floor. Feel the heaviness, but also a new sense of fullness and life within you. Slowly, gently, begin to move your fingers and toes. Take your time. Gradually, bring movement back into your hands and your feet, then your arms and legs. And when you feel ready, bend your knees and slowly roll over to your right side. Rest here for a moment, feeling the safety, the warmth, and replenishment. Using your left hand, Gently press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Keep your eyes closed for a few moments if you wish. Before we close our practice, we will move into equal ratio breathing to activate the energy and the vitality in the body. With this breathing pattern, we will inhale for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 4. Take a single grounding breath to empty the lungs. Let's go together now. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Going again. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Continue this steady rhythm on your own now. With each inhale, imagine drawing in stability. With each exhale, feel a sense of grounding. There is no rush, no pause, just a continuous, seamless loop of breath, inhaling for 4 and exhaling for 4. Inhale, stability. Exhale, grounding. Inhaling for a count of 4. Exhaling for a count of 4. With your next exhale, release the count and allow your breath to flow freely. Take a moment now to sit in stillness, just to take in the effects of today's practice. Take a deep inhalation and exhale completely. This is my prayer for you. May you feel deeply grounded in your own strength. May your energy be replenished and renewed. And may you move through your days with a sense of vitality and ease. Bring your palms together at your heart center and gently rub them together, activating Prana Shakti. Place your warm hands over your eyes. Feel the soothing heat. Now, gently blink your eyes open into your palms, then slowly release your hands. Our Yoga Nidra, non-sleep, deep rest practice is now complete. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. If you found moments of peace and calm in this practice, I invite you now to share this with somebody who could also use a moment of calm. I also invite you to explore deeper states of rest with Ignite and Flow's 3-day Calm Reset. It's a free online experience designed to help you release stress and add more peace into your life. You can find more details in the description below. Until next time, I wish you much peace and much love.